Welcome to a new era of fireplace elegance and innovation. Presenting Napoleon's tall linear vector with Luminous Log's gas fireplace, where extraordinary realism meets cutting-edge technology. Experience Luminous Log technology, a lifelike experience where the raised flames gracefully dance from our high-definition driftwood or oak logs. Our exclusive Woodland Kit is included, featuring splinters, rocks, charcoal, glass, and vermiculite. It's a trend-forward addition that transforms your fireplace experience. Feel the authenticity of the modulating ember bed and illuminating top lights, which can be enjoyed year-round. Take control effortlessly, switching between ember bed, low, and high flame settings to reduce gas consumption. Whether you prefer using the included remote or the eFire mobile app, managing your fireplace is seamless. Opt for a frameless design, perfectly blending with your wall, or for those needing a bit more coverage with stone or wood installs, we offer an optional sleek 4-piece finishing trim. Experience optional heat management through our innovative DHC and DHM systems. Say goodbye to the need for additional blowers or power vent systems and enjoy superior design flexibility. You can even install a television right above it. The tall linear vector with Luminous Log's gas fireplace brings the cozy charm of a real fire into your home, making every moment special.